Grand Rising, Grand Rising. This is Regenerative Life Wayne, 69, coming to you from his suburban food forest and mini solar power journey here. Today is Tuesday, and it's a little cloudy outside. And it's supposed to be 60 today, so I'm going to get outside and do some work on my big solar panels. I'm doing a bunch of rearranging out there. But what you're seeing right now before me is a Harbor Freight panel. I'm going to say one thing about the Harbor Freight panels. People really don't like these panels for some reason, I guess, because they're afraid of this the SAE plug they have on here. No, that's what they're afraid of. But to solve that problem, all you got to do is go online to that big store and buy SAE to MC4 adapter for a couple of bucks. And you just go ahead and just plug it in just like that. And that solves the problem. I got these panels, like I said before, from Harbor Freight. I have a Harbor Freight very close to my house. And then I like to get my panels either on sale, or I like buying the big aftermarket panels, especially the bigger panels. I buy those aftermarket used ones, so save a bunch of money. And I got couple of these panels on sale last year. I haven't even used them yet. And with my military discount, I got them for like 75 bucks. I got like 3 of these panels, and that's simple. Problem solved, you know. So don't let the connections on any panel stop you from getting that panel. It's my view personally, unless you just don't want to deal with it. But you know, so it's easy to overcome. But just going on the line to that big store and buying an adapter and just plugging it in for a few bucks. So I hope everybody's having a good day. This is going to be a short video. I just wanted to show how you can you shouldn't let anything get in your solar journey. You shouldn't be afraid of this stuff. It all can be overcome. You know, it's all about information and so forth, and seeking that knowledge. This is Regenerative Life Wayne 69. Please subscribe to my channel. Please share it, and have a good day. I say.